Welcome back to another video, y'all. We are back on Blue Collar Bites, and me and Tubby are going to be cooking dinner tonight. Hope you like the video. You didn't say already, but we're smoking weeds.
All right, for all you Karens out there, this is a quick disclaimer that these kids are being supervised and assisted by an adult the entire time. So hopefully the liberal side of YouTube doesn't knock us for child endangerment or whatever liberals call kids doing things for themselves these days.
Okay, so we're gonna get to getting these ready to cook. So we're gonna get this binder and put some seasonings on it.
You're being ridiculous. So much sass with this one. Okay,
Okay.
go ahead.
So we're gonna put the chicken inside the bowl, and then I'm gonna season it. So Tubby, go ahead and put the chicken in the bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna put some oil, olive oil. Get that all around there, and then I'm gonna shake it so that all of it gets together. There. Now I'm gonna take some of this Traeger chicken rub, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it around there. Try to get that all around, because we need it to taste good. Okay, now Kaden is gonna put them all in a line. Go ahead. Now I'm gonna take some of this chicken rub and I'm gonna just sprinkle it a little bit on there because I think I missed a little bit. Slowly to get it all around. And then there we go. That is how you seasoning some chicken to put on the Traeger. Okay, so now we're gonna be cooking the sweet potatoes. I mean, we all love sweet potatoes, so we're all done washing them. We're gonna rub them in a little bit of olive oil, and then we're gonna put them on the Traeger. Now it's time to put these on the smoker. Okay, so now we're gonna put these in an order. I'm gonna lay them down right here. Another one there, right here. Right here. That cook. Chicken wings in. Now we're gonna let Tubby put the sweet potatoes in. We've got everything in the grill now. It's at 400 degrees. We're gonna let it cook for an hour and 5 minutes.
Good job. Good job, turkey boy.
All right, y'all, it's time to get these wings and sweet potatoes off the grill. So just take one in.
Get over there, bud. That way she doesn't drop any. Get it closer. There you go. Very careful not to burn yourself. There you go. There you go.
They look really good.
Good job. Go.
Okay, now let's go on to the sweet potatoes. Until those are ready.
Nice and soft, are they?
Yeah, this one's kind of leaking with some sweet potatoes.
Nice, nice.
There you have it. We made dinner for Mom and Dad, and we hope you like it. We're gonna get into this.
All right, there you have it, guys. We got a 9-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a little one that hasn't even hit a year that just made dinner for us. We got smoked wings, the green beans, sweet potatoes. Please do us a favor, subscribe to this video. Hit us up in the comments, let us know how these kids did. I think they did a great job, and can't wait to get into this. I think it's gonna be pretty tasty. They smoked these in the smoker for about an hour. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can hear the crunch. Wow. You make it? Bro. Whoa.